welcome back or to my channel. If this is your first time here, thanks so much for stopping by. On this channel, I do like to bring you hair and makeup related videos at least every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. So if that's something you're interested in, please do consider hitting that subscribe button as well as that notification bell so that you're notified when I upload a video. If you are returning, hey, Sugar Muffin. Alright, y'all, so it is Friday, my favorite day of the week. And not only is it Friday, it's budget friendly Friday. Budget friendly Friday. I said budget friendly Friday. So budget friendly Friday is what I like to bring you every single Friday, of course, where I am showcasing or doing a wig review on wigs that are under $25. Alright, so today's review is on a Sensationnel unit from the DASHLY collection. Now there are several units available in this collection and they normally title them with unit number and then a number. And I think they're up to about 10, maybe 11, I'm not really sure, but there's several of them. I am reviewing DASHLY unit number 6 today, and I have her in the color 99J. Now with this collection, they are ready to wear styles, which are made for beginners. So they are very beginner friendly and ready for you to just take out of the package to wear. Alright, so let's go ahead and dive right into this review. Alright y'all, so this is what the stock card looks like, and this is the hair straight out of the package. Very nice Yaki texture, which I absolutely love. Very nice bang. There is absolutely no lace on this unit. So the cap construction does have the two combs at the front, the one comb in the back with the adjustable straps, and it also has that nice breathable cap where you can get to your scalp easily. Alright y'all, so let's talk about DASHLY unit number 6. They definitely live up to the hype of ready to wear. She's certainly a throw and go. I mean, like, you saw the styling process. What did I do? Nothing but throw her on my head and get her to lay flat. That's it. Like, she's super easy, y'all. You ain't gotta worry about no lace, no concealer or powder in the parting space. There is no, I mean, like, she only had a little hump, so you might have to add a little heat to her. Just a little bit of heat and get her pressed down nice and flat. Otherwise, that's it. Now, just to confirm, she is heat safe up to 400 degrees. Now, I am personally not a huge fan of wearing bangs. However, this is such a cute little style. I would definitely grab this when I am looking for that super quick throw and go. I will grab this in a minute. And the fact that she has Yaki texture, y'all, that is the best. We always look for the Yaki texture. I love that about her. And look how I glide. No tangling, just gliding. Just gliding, y'all. Like, she's really nice. I am pleasantly surprised. Like, for real. Cap size, I feel like she's super comfortable. I think she's nice and stretchy. So I would give it an all head friendly. I didn't feel like I struggled to get her on. She doesn't feel like super tight. Yes, I have a small to medium sized head. But, I mean, like, she's real comfortable. And I think she would be comfortable for heads that are larger than mine, to be honest. Another pro is that she's not shedding excessively. Yeah, I may have gotten a couple little strands here and there. But, like, I can live with that. She just feels amazing, y'all. Like, whew, I just love the way this feels. Now, a few little cons. I'm gonna start, and it's not really a huge con, but I don't think they got it quite together when they said 99J. Does this look like a 99J to y'all? Like, be honest. So 99J to me is like a really deep dark burgundy. Like, that's what 99J is to me. This is giving me super dark brown. So you know how you have your 1B, which is like your natural black or off black, whatever you want to call it. 1 is black, and then 2 is like a little lighter the natural black, so leading into the brown, and then it jumps to 4, right? Which is like your good chocolate brown. I feel like if there was a 3, this is where this would fall. I don't think it's a 99J though. So anyway, it's not something I'm mad at. I just wish that they would have gotten that 99J correct, because I don't think this is it. That's all. It's not that it's an ugly color or anything. I can live with this color. It's just not a 99J. Alright, so something else I failed to mention that I actually love about this unit is the length. I really think this is such a nice, comfortable length. It's at about, I would give it 16 to 18 inches long, and I'm 5'7", and this is where she's falling on me. I think this is such a nice, comfortable length. Alright, so the price range for this unit, it ranges anywhere from like $13 to $20. When I say super affordable, this is super affordable, y'all. Like, you can't get no better than that. And it's a throw and go, Yaki texture. Like, you just can't beat it. So I'll be sure to link various options of where you may be able to purchase this unit. I had to get hip to the game, y'all. My wig bays have been schooling me. I am no longer giving these supply companies free marketing. Okay? I will leave it to you all to find the best place to shop that works for you. And I will give you all of those options. Alright, y'all. So that's really all that I have for this video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it helpful as well. Please be sure to thumbs up this video. Hit that subscribe button if you have not. Go ahead and share this video with your friends and family. And I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.